Hola, hola. Welcome again. Bienvenidos otra vez. So let's do the letter R. We have the letter R and the double R. La. Vamos a poner aquí la R y la doble R. Okay? Or double R. So not much mystery here. You can find also this letter in the English alphabet and it is used similarly. The hard part, I would say, is the pronunciation, and this is one of the biggest challenges when pronouncing Spanish properly. As I always say, you don't have to speak as a native person because we also love to listen different accents, right? You should only be concerned on making yourself understood. We can find three types of R's. We can have the single starting R, for example, in this word, Ramon, this is a name. We can also find the middle single R, like marido. Okay, this has a softer sound, right? Marido. And then we have the middle double R, marrón. Okay, now I want to question you, which two R's are same and which one is the odd out? Okay, I'm gonna read the words again. So we have Ramón, single starting R, Ramón. Then we have marido, marido. And then we have marrón. So as you may have heard, Ramón has a strong sound, marido has a softer sound, and then marrón again has a strong sound. So marido would be the odd one out. We don't have words that start with double R because the single R, starting single R, already makes a strong sound. So let's see in different words. For example, how would you write the word rata? That means rat. So you can see in English you make this ra sound. In Spanish, we put the tip of the tongue in the paladar and we try to keep it there at the same time that we are pressing it down with our air. So it's like, I'm gonna keep it there and then ra. This is an exercise you should practice. Most of you are going to do the ra with the or but not do that. Don't do that. So it's not here. It's not here. It's in the tip of the paladar with the tip of the tongue. As if you were doing some kind of like a weapon. Or like a motorbike. This is something you will have to practice, and we will see it in more depth in the class if you have, special inclination to rolling your R's. Again, it's not so important. Like I could say rata, ra. It's not perfect. It's not a perfect R, but I can still perfectly understand it, right? Rata, but better to do rata. This is something you should practice every day for 5 minutes, right? Just putting yourself into the situation where, okay, I have to roll my R's. Look in YouTube some videos maybe on how to roll the R's. I told you the basics. So again, it's to put the tip of the tongue in the paladar, and then with the air you are going to make it go down, but at the same time it's gonna keep up. So it's gonna be like okay, you cannot see it very well. That's why I say you should maybe look at a YouTube video if you find it necessary. Most of my students maybe don't know how to roll the R's, and that doesn't impede communication at all. So it's not something that is necessary to learn, okay? So again, I'm gonna give you some words. I gave you rata. How would you write, for example, a very common word, corazón, corazón, corazón. Okay. So again, you can see the starting R has a strong sound, the middle R soft sound, and the double R has a strong sound. So I hope that was clear for the letter R and for la letra R, and I'll see you in the next video.